to all my regular subscribers, viewers, and channel members. A blessed Sunday to all of you. Um, I just want to show to you all my yung mga ginawa kong art. Ito. Yan. I used color pencil here. I use color pencil. These are examples of color pencil drawing. Mga color pencil yan. I hope you are enjoying watching this. Lahat yan mga color pencil, mga memories natin last year and 2024. Yan. Yan, mga inspiration yan. Inspiration. Mga na-share ko na to separately sa short reel at saka sa upload videos. Enjoy watching. Ito yung si Diwata nung kasikatan niya, no? I was inspired. Kaya na. Ito yung inspirasyon na nasunog yung sa California. Maraming sunog that time. Positive. Stay positive and happy always. Yan. Yan. Ano to, Yan, that's it. Watercolor ito. Watercolor yan. Ito din. Watercolor. Lechon belly. Ito yung watercolor na hindi ko natapos. Ito lately lang na ginawa natin. Yung empanada. Yung empanada yan. Yan, mga sample. And ito, narito, mga sample din ito ng mga watercolor. Yan, o. Ito yung persimmon. Watercolor to, guys, oh. Ito yung the living bread. Ito yung avocado. Ito yung pomegranate. the soup. Poinsettia plants. Garbage can. Yan. Ito yung empanada. No? Mga watercolor samples ito. Yung red and green bell peppers. Ito. Ice cream. Float with cherry on top. And tofu. Ito si Jesus Christ. Ito yung di halo-halo. Ito yung rose nut. Ito yung sampurado. Ito yung mooncake. Wildflowers. Omelette, eggs. Lahat ito mga inspiration. This came from an inspirations. The bami sandwich. The cactus. And remember these flowers and this flower and the trumpet mushroom. And another kind of persimmon. Mga inspiration niya, no? Ito pa, chichirika, colored pencil ito, this is colored pencil drawing. Ito yung colored pencil din yan, no? Ito, colored pencil din yan. I was inspired by the Vietnamese lady who lives in the mountain. Ito yung squatter house in the paper. This is also colored pencil. Ito yung the pumpkin. And the famous alligator, crocodile, the croc. With the croc, there is the bags and the money. So, mga colored pencil to. This is me. Hindi ko yata kamukha. Colored pencil din ito, no? Yung sushi, colored pencil. And my famous study one, the Lord Jesus Christ, looking down. Hope you enjoyed watching. Ito yung mga mga collection of journey of creation. My collection. Hope you enjoy watching it. Isa nakalimutan ko. This is also colored pencil. This is one of my favorite. Very detailed, no? I was inspired doing this. At saka, itong isa, ito naman yung ano, no? Remember, yung acrylic in a plate. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed my gallery of creation. It was a long journey to do this, and it was because of all the inspiration that we see around sa environment, ano? So, hope you enjoy it. Puy roti. Yan. Baishi, sushi, puy roti, Mary, Mama Mary. Yan, mga colored pencil yan.